So hi guys, here this is the K&N air filter for my Mini Cooper basically, and this is how it looks. It cost me around like 36 quid to get this bit, and yeah, it says designed to increase horsepower and acceleration, and there are some numbers at the back, the airflow difference between the average disposable filter and the K&N filters. So let's see what's inside. Helpful hints on installing your filter. That's nice. Do not discard information. Oh, I got a K&N sticker, but it's bent and badly damaged somehow. It's broken in half. You get some sort of the information cards, and the filter itself. Ooh, that's quite heavy.